Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can reply to any specific message in Instagram. So first let's open our Instagram chat, and here you can see that I have this chat right here. So if I want to reply to any of the messages, what I'm gonna do is simply hold to that particular message to which I want to reply. So for example, I want to reply to this message right here. So I will be holding it, and here you can see this option which says reply. Click on this reply button, and then you may type in your reply. So for example, I'll type in my reply like, and then when you are done, you may simply hold this, you may tap this button right here, and you can see that the reply has been successfully sent. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.